Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on Bite a Geek. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Arlo Essential Spotlight Camera security system and see what you get inside and give you my first impressions of it. So let's get to it. Right guys, so this is the Arlo Essential Spotlight Camera system. It's a 3-camera system, and this is the effectively the hubless version of the Arlo cameras. And the idea is this just really straightforward. You just connect straight up to your Wi-Fi and away you go. So it's a 1080p system, two-way audio, color night vision, and it's got an integrated spotlight on it as well. So as I say, 3 cameras in the box. This retails, I think it's about £330 in the UK. Just a few details on the back of the box for you here. So fully weather resistant, heat, cold, rain or sun, full high def video. Shame it's not 2K, but 1080p is quite good. Fully DIY, should be able to install this fairly quickly. Motion detection, full motion detection and alerts, just like all the other camera systems really. And two-way audio, so you can speak with anybody picked up by the cameras. Quite nice, you've got built-in siren to deter unwanted guests, and full nighttime colour video, which is nice. Obviously, it's a battery-based system. It's completely wireless. So we're going to open this up and just see what we've got. One other thing to note, just before I open up the box, so it supports iOS and Google in terms of your mobile apps. Alexa and Google Home integration, as well as if this then that. So one of the things that differentiates this really is because it's the essential pack. Obviously, as I say, you don't get the hub with it, but there are some additional things that you get when you pay a subscription. So it's not just the cloud storage that you get. You will get some additional functionality with that as well. And what I'll be doing is whilst this is primarily a unboxing video and a quick thoughts on the actual system, I will be doing a follow-up video of this, and I'll be testing it out, setting it up, seeing what the Wi-Fi range is like and things like that, and just seeing what these things are that you actually get extra for that subscription. So without further ado, let's get inside the box and see what we've got. So slip the cover off. So inside you've got your 3 cameras, so we'll take a look at those in a second. Rather a small user guide. Your 1 charging cable, so if the battery dies on all 3 of your cameras at the same time, you're going to need an additional couple of cables there, I would imagine. So it is just USB, so yeah, easily available. And then in the bottom we've got mounting screw kits, so 3 screws to mount it, roll plugs as well, obviously 1 per camera set there. And then you've got your mounts, so 3 of those. Let's just get the box out of the way, making sure there's nothing else in the box. So the mounts are so the mounts are better, I'd say, than the Blink camera mounts. The Blink camera mounts, basically the camera just pulls off. I know you can get something like this as an after market mount for it, but really, this day and age, given the price of these things, it should really be standard in the box. So this is feels like plastic base there, plastic all the way up halfway there, and then this is metal. So you've got adjustable there. Obviously you can turn that round as well. I think, you know, with all these things, you know, whether it's a screw-on mount or, you know, a click-on mount, you know, it still has a weak point, and that is that you can't secure these any better than really screwing them on. You know, for the small additional cost that it probably costs in manufacturing, I would actually like to see some way of locking that on to the camera, to the base of the camera itself. So, yeah, but as I say, an awful lot better than the basic stuff that you get in the Blink pack. So 3 of those. So let's just take some of this stuff off. So the camera, hopefully you all caught that, taking that off, just like unwrapping a new iPhone. So nice glossy white, quite a nice design actually, a lot bigger in terms of length than the Blink camera. I'd say probably twice as heavy as a Blink camera as well. Mounting points on the back there, so literally just screws in on the back there. At the front, hopefully you guys can see it, you've got your LED light, assuming that is the speaker at the bottom there, and then camera, and they, I'm assuming, are the motion detection there. USB charging port on the bottom. So yeah, what do you guys think? You know, obviously identical to the existing Arlo cameras in many ways. You know, I think some people like the look of, you know, there's a lot of other third-party cameras as well that look very similar to this. So, you know, what do you guys think? Do you prefer the look of like the Blink cameras, or do you like this style of camera? Obviously, you know, screw that in onto the base, and have that fixed, you know, sideways on. So quite easy to go and angle these actually. Very nice system. I think all cameras should come with something as straightforward as that. So you get your 3 of those. I'll take the other one out of the wrapper, and your mounts. So user guide in terms of that. So yeah, so brief instructions: installing your app, foreign language, don't need those, and then safety compliance information. So that, in terms of your user guide, is how to do it. You obviously get a lot of how-to videos. So what I'll be doing is, when I do my next video, the follow-up video to this, I will go through this kind of process with you, and you can see how to set it up. I think also in terms of user guide, I think it would have been good to have actually had something that just tells you what the different things are on it, and I guess, you know, that will be in the online stuff, but you know, we will see when we get to it. So I think the only disappointment, given the cost of these things, really, you know, you've got 3 mounts, 3 sets of screw fixing kits, and 3 cameras. Disappointing that there's only 1 cable in the box. You know, if you've got them all charged up at the same time, depending on where you've got them, they could in effect all go and run out of battery at the same time. So I'll put a link in the description down below where you can pick this setup if you're interested. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and you know, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And certainly if you want to see part 2 where you know, we look at the performance of this system, then you want to be subscribed to see that. But any comments, questions, you know, drop them down below and I will answer them for you as quick as I can. But for now, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.